Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of made with Unity. Leading off, I didn't need a refresh button, but animation by Matthew. Applied the same technique used for birds to a shoal of fish by Staggered Creations. Enemies can now draw their guns when hit by Codier. I Think He Wants to Be a Painting by Lewis. Endless Loop of Broken Realities and Corrupted Fragments by Ruben. Did you know Unity can compile to the original Gameboy by Sorb? You Can Pet the Dog by Constantine. Get to know charming characters in Night Revere by Somber Pixel. Smiling Face with Sunglasses by Rocket Juice Games. Another Secret Game in Production by Sakura Rabbit. I've tried to recreate the tactical mode of Final Fantasy VII by Andre. A 60-second Shaders Done Quick tutorial by Alex. The link is below. Some footage of one of Deep's bosses by Deep. All Set is Coming Together by Subfrost Interactive. Mega Man X Upgrade Pod Model by Lucy. Projectiles glow brighter to stand out from the background by Space Jellyfish Game. Procedural Thing by Jose. Finally, Keep Distance and Stay Safe by Nemo. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.